Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Mercedes-Benz E-Class 2010 to 2016? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Mercedes-Benz E-Class 2010 to 2016 is located on the left side of the engine bay near the firewall under a black cover, and it contains fuses for critical systems like the ECU, ABS, lighting, ignition, fan, and fuel system, with a fuse diagram typically inside the cover. Engine compartment fuse box for hybrid vehicles. The engine compartment fuse box for hybrid vehicles in the Mercedes-Benz E-Class 2010 to 2016 is located on the left side of the engine bay near, and it contains fuses for both standard systems, ECU, ABS, lighting, and hybrid-specific components like high-voltage battery interfaces and electric drive modules. The Prefuse box, without Eco Start and Stop, in the Mercedes-Benz E-Class 2010 to 2016 is located in the engine compartment near the battery, and it contains high amperage fuses for systems like the front SAM, interior fuse boxes, starter, and alternator, with the fuse diagram found in the service manual. The Prefuse box with Eco Start Stop in the Mercedes-Benz E-Class 2010 to 2016 is located in the engine compartment near the power distribution block and contains high amperage fuses dedicated to systems like control unit, starter generator, and dual battery management, with its diagram usually found on the fuse cover. The Prefuse box for hybrid vehicles in the Mercedes-Benz E-Class 2010 to 2016 is located in the engine compartment near the hybrid control unit and contains high amperage fuses for hybrid-specific systems like the electric motor, power electronics, cooling circuits, and battery interface, with a diagram typically on the fuse cover. Instrument panel fuse box. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the Mercedes-Benz E-Class 2010 to 2016 is located behind the right side trim panel in the trunk and contains fuses for rear SAM, tail lights, trailer module, power trunk, rear sockets, and audio navigation components, with a fuse diagram usually found on the panel. Prefuse Box F33. AdBlue Fuse Box F37. K25 oil cooler fan motor relay. Other relays of Mercedes-Benz E-Class, 2010 to 2016.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.